Welcome back to the Auto City Details YouTube channel. Hello car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of interior car detailing. Whether you're prepping for a show or just want that fresh from the dealership feel, this guide has got you covered. Stick around as we break down the step-by-step process to achieve a spotless interior that will make heads turn. Before we dive into the intricacies of interior car detailing, I want to invite all of you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest car care tips, tricks, and guides. Now, let's get into it. Step 1. Preparation. Before diving in, gather your supplies. Vacuum cleaner with attachments. Microfiber towels. Interior cleaner, spray or wipes. Glass cleaner. Upholstery cleaner. Soft bristled brush. Leather conditioner, if applicable. Q-tips or detailing brushes.
Trashbay.
Step 2. Decluttering. Start by removing all personal items and trash from the car. This includes floor mats, seat covers, and any loose items in the cabin. Don't forget to empty the glove compartment and center console. Step 3. Vacuuming. Using the appropriate attachments, thoroughly vacuum every surface of the interior, including seats, carpets, floor mats, and crevices. Pay extra attention to hard-to-reach areas like between seats and under them. Step 4. Cleaning surfaces. Spray the interior cleaner onto a microfiber towel and wipe down all surfaces, including the dashboard, door panels, center console, and steering wheel. For stubborn stains, use a soft bristled brush or detailing brush. Be cautious with electronic components and screens. Step 5. Upholstery and carpet cleaning. Apply upholstery cleaner to seats and carpets, following the product instructions. Use a soft brush to agitate the cleaner and lift stains. For leather seats, use a dedicated leather cleaner and conditioner to maintain suppleness and prevent cracking. Step 6. Glass cleaning. Spray glass cleaner onto a microfiber towel and wipe down all interior glass surfaces, including windows, mirrors, and screens. Use a separate towel for drying to avoid streaks. Step 7. Detailing nooks and crannies. Use Q-tips or detailing brushes to clean hard-to-reach areas such as air vents, buttons, and seams. Pay attention to areas prone to dust and grime buildup. Step 8. Final touches. Replace floor mats and seat covers once they're clean and dry. Wipe down all surfaces one final time to ensure a streak-free shine. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to interior car detailing. By following these steps, you can transform your car's interior into a showroom-worthy masterpiece. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your car looking its best. Thanks for watching, and happy detailing! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car care tips.